Hey friends, welcome back to another video at Scratch Skills. In today's video, we'll be learning how to make a Rainbow Dash project in Scratch, or let's just call it the Rainbow Star project in Scratch. In this project, there will be a star that keeps duplicating itself and following the mouse pointer by fading away each 10 clones. So this is one really beautiful project and I really do recommend you to try it. And this project, if you are a person that is frequent to my channel, you also might have seen my backpack video. In the backpack video, I used this project to explain it to you. So if you were wondering from that time to make this project, here's your chance. So let's start this. I'm first gonna go to a brand new project, and over here let's get rid of sprite 1 and go to the choose a sprite option and search for star and use the star. Next, going to the backdrops, let's go to the space option and select stars. Stars. Next, let's start with the code. And the code in this project will be only 12 lines of code. Can you believe it? That is so amazing. So first we're just gonna duplicate the one green flag clicked forever. So the first thing we want to do is we want to keep creating a clone of ourselves. And as we added clone of myself, we need to start as a clone. Next, go to the motion block and we want it to coming to the mouse pointer. Okay, now let's go to the looks category, or first we need a repeat 10 times block. Now go to the looks category and take the change color effect by block and put it inside the repeat 10. Then going to the motion category, use the move 10 steps block. Just duplicate it once and get rid of the move 10 steps. Change it to ghost and the numerical value can be 10. Oops, not 109, 10. Next, we want to go back to the control and just delete the clone. Let's try this out. Oh, we just did it! And if you count out the blocks, there are only 12 blocks. This was a really simple project that I want to share with you, and it's so beautiful. And you can try it in any way you want to, say apple in a basket or anything like that. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked it, friends. Do subscribe, like, and share this video, and check out the other videos that will come soon enough. Bye, friends.